You ready?
I'm ready. I've got my pineapple kiwi $7 smart water.
We have been looking for a new car for a couple of months now, and I randomly came across a deal on Facebook Marketplace that was honestly too good to pass up. So we decided to take a risk and fly halfway across the country.
Oh, this is it. We have arrived in Texas. We came to Texas.
I have returned
So, yeah,
to the birthland.
she has returned to the birthland of Texas. Let's go get this car. I don't know. I think it's a sexy car.
It's so pretty.
You think they're ready?
Yeah.
We flew all the way to Texas
Uh-huh.
to pick up
The child.
the child. Y'all ready for the child? We bought the child.
So this is a one-owner, low-mile 1996 3000 GT VR4. The car already has the 99 conversion done to it, as well as a pile of other bolt-on mods such as bigger turbos, fuel, and even a upgraded ECU. The interior is a little dated, but everything appears to be working correctly. Man, I absolutely love these gauges.
Well, we have made it to the Marriott in Dallas. Valet parked ourselves. So, we have valet parked ourselves in the Marriott.
That's 3,000 parking right there.
Yeah, so
We're gonna get a hotel. Crash for like 5 hours.
get a little bit of sleep to continue this 20-hour drive home. So we have made it 2.5 hours from Austin to Dallas. Now time to get a little bit of sleep. Oh boy.
So, welcome back to day 2. We're going to be leaving Dallas, heading east to go back to Virginia. Don't think we're going to make it the entire trip today. Make another stop if we have to. Might see some friends on the way. But it should be a fun adventure, and let's quit holding things up and go. it. They just gonna slam on the brakes, come back in. It's gonna come back and get you. So now that we're in the car driving home, we got some food in our bellies, and we're actually out and about. I guess I can tell you a little bit about the car. So it started as a joke, really as a joke. Offered some money to someone, found it online, he accepted it, and we just on a whim flew across the country to go buy it, hoping that it would drive home. So far, so good. And it was just, we couldn't say no to it. There's a few little quirks with it, as you can see. The wires pulled out, nothing that I can't fix. So, in the glove box, we found condoms. It says new, yet they expired in 2012. All right, we are about halfway home. One final stop for some food at Sonic. Checking fluids. So far, oil's good, oil pressure's been good, coolant level's been really good. Temperature's been staying in a nice low, not getting hot, so that's good. So far, everything is holding up. The only issue that we've had so far, the antenna yeeted itself. It yeeted itself on the highway. Oh well, I mean, we couldn't listen to the radio anyway, so. It's looking pretty good. No leaks.
By the way, if you have never tried Sonic's ocean water, I wouldn't say it's life-changing, but it is like the taste of a beach.
Taste of a beach in Arkansas. It's the Arkansas beach.
It's an Arkansas beach. It's very good. Ocean water.
It's the Arkansas beach. So, this starts our final journey to home.
Home.
Let's get home.
500 miles to go.
We're going to do a quick fluids check of the car before heading out. We're going to be leaving Nashville, Tennessee, and heading back to Virginia. She is really dirty. I didn't film much of this hotel. Let's just say it's been an adventure, and we'll leave it at that. I might drop a couple sneaks of it down in the video.
Hiya, Georgie.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall.
So, Megan's coffee is the dominator of all coffee. I can't get mine out because it's locked in there. When I go to pull hers out, it just takes the whole cup holder out. It's gonna be a long drive. Almost home. A couple more hours to go, but it's made it back to Virginia. To Virginia.
Over 1,000 miles.
Good job. We made it.
Made it.
It's home. You can't see it. It's dark, but we made it. Our 2-day journey from Texas is over. Let's go inside and greet the puppies. Cobain and Nori are probably really excited.
Hi, Cobain. Hi, Nori. Hi.
All right, now this car is back in Virginia. We have a few more things that we need to do to it to get it ready for Virginia State inspection. That shouldn't be too hard to do, but after that, we can have it on the road. I know, woo.
Bought it for you, Maurice.
But they've come along in this crazy adventure. I don't think we're gonna fly cross country for a little while, but who knows? Till then, see you in the next one.
I'm not in the colors.